Welcome back to another video, man. I'm Kadeem. If y'all don't know, this is my channel. If you like trucking content, hit the subscribe button. This is the channel for future truckers. If you already have your CDL, this is the channel for you, man. At a Wesco right now gas station, and crazy part is when I used to work a garbage truck job, we used to come here and take a break. I hated that job, bro. I hated the garbage truck job. We used to come here and take our breaks, man, and it's crazy just how life would do like a full turn on you. Like now I actually work for the gas station where we used to come and take breaks at. It just show you, man, you got to keep grinding. You got to, even through times where you don't like it and you hate it, keep grinding and just keep making a plan to get out of whatever you don't like. Because now I'm actually at a job that I like, and I used to come here. Yeah, man, just a little motivation for y'all, man. Real talk. I used to come here. We used to be right here with a garbage truck taking a break. So we are in the box truck, and we about to do distribution so I can get up out of here, get home. It's real quiet out here. Empty. This chain, bro, keeps coming off of this flat. I gotta do that every time. All right, let's do it. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. Not a lot, but they do got a good amount of stuff. I want to knock this out as quick as I can. That's feels so good outside today. I don't even have a coat on today. So if y'all don't know, Michigan, the weather is all over the place. It snowed one day. It's like 40 degrees right now. Tomorrow it might be 20 degrees. You never know with Michigan. Yep, so this, take their donuts in here, put them in the back room. Okay, this donut case like it's about to tip over, but it's not. Can't lie, I have dropped a donut case before, but this is a deli case. So. I need a dolly, man. All right, so they have a dolly. That is a good thing. They got a dolly. So I don't have to take these inside the back store. I'm glad they got a dolly though, because I sure forgot mine. Yes. Freezer. that went by real smooth. Now, these are cigarettes. And I just got one more skid to go in. Man, I can't believe I used to come here and take my breaks when I hated that job. It just takes me back to that memory. Yeah, so y'all see they got Faygo Pop water, cups, sparkling water, some tangerine pop. What the hell is some tangerine? I don't know what that is. I don't know, but the water, purple Faygo Pop. I got a confession, I like purple Faygo Pop. I never tried that pop right here. I never tried that, but I do like purple Faygo Pop. My girl hate that I like purple pop. I don't know why, I just... All right, let's see how easy it's gonna be to get this in. Let's see. Why is it stuck on it? What the hell? It's stuck on the rug. Bro, it's stuck on the rug. I gotta bring this out. I'm not breaking this pallet down. And it can fit through this door. So watch what I'm finna do. I'm finna try to take it in backwards maybe. All right, so we all done. Put the keys back. I need this dolly right here. All right. Stack the cigarettes up. It's the last thing I gotta do, and then I'll be done with this store. Shoot. Oops. Crazy part is I almost had an interview with Cisco. That's another trucking company if y'all don't know. Cisco, I think they deliver like meat and stuff, but I almost had an interview with them. Crazy part, I had to tell y'all that. I brought y'all along with me to another run, another route delivery, man. This is the life of a truck driver, CDL driver. It's probably windy out here, so I'm gonna make this quick. Yeah, man, just stay tuned for the next video, man. I hope somebody getting inspired. I hope somebody getting their CDL. Hope inspire somebody to keep going that got their CDL. So I will see y'all in the next video. I'm about to get back so I can get back to the shop. I'm in the box truck today. Yeah, I'll probably be back in the semi in a few days. So yeah, man, just stay tuned for the next video. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. You know, any questions y'all got pertaining to the CDL down in the comments, and I will answer them. But yeah, man, I'm out. I'll see y'all in the next video.